How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be washing my Falcon. It is super dirty. I haven't washed it in a really long time. It's probably been months. As you can tell, my rims are super dirty, tires are super dirty. Glass is filthy. So this is the brush I have dedicated just for these wheels. Nice and soft, it's not gonna scratch it. I got this from Chemical Guys. And then I use Chemical Guys' Meticulous Matte Auto Wash because these wheels they're like a matte. And I just mix it with water in here. And that's what I use to clean these wheels, because if I use other ones it can stain the finish. I'm gonna use Gyeno tire cleaner. So inside the bucket and inside my foam cannon, I'm going to be using Adam's car shampoo. This is actually not one of my favorite shampoos. I bought it, so I might as well use it. So when I'm washing this car, I only touch the parts here that are green. The parts here that are red, I don't even touch it because it just comes right off. But I'll show you guys for the video. If I rub it, literally it just turns this all red. Because this is just the primer underneath the paint. So I just leave it alone, because then I get all this stuff dirty. So for this car, I like to use the Chemical Guys' Tire Kicker Tire Shine. It doesn't leave it super shiny, it kind of leaves like a matte finish. I think it goes well with this car. And then to give the wheels a little bit of an extra cleaning, shining protection, Chemical Guys' Meticulous Matte Detailer. You see, it says UV blockers. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell. Ding, ding.